Hey guys, Rich here from Tacoma Network, and today we're checking out a sleeper product I found on the good old interweb. Juggernaut Designs makes these great retractable ratchet straps that mounts directly to your truck. I've bought countless ratchet straps over the years, but I rarely have one when I need it. Juggernaut Designs currently has mountable ratchet straps for Ford, Dodge, Chevy GMC, Jeep, and Toyota. I picked up two for my 2022 Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road 4x4, but this version will fit any second, third, or fourth gen Tacoma by mounting to the bed rail system. Inside my package was a warning card, thanks California, a nice giant decal, 2 bags of T-nuts with large cap head screws, and the 2 ultimate retractable ratchet straps. And these things are hefty. Up on deck for the unboxing is my ProTech Mordax, made in USA just like the Juggernaut mounts. These are packed quite nicely and fully assembled. Out of the box, these are very impressive. There's some great quality weight here. Looking more at the mount, it's made from CNC'd aluminum, complete with the additional tie-down point. There's laser etching of the Juggernaut Designs logo, along with patent pending. The swivel action is very nice, having just the right amount of resistance. It has 3 ways to swivel to get you that perfect angle once mounted to your bed. The ratchet clip mounts back into the mount to prevent it from dangling. The mount measures 6.25 inches at the mount and right over 6 inches tall for the strap built into the mount. These are Rhino USA strap mechanisms, which is nice to see that they used a well-known brand for the straps as they are tried and proven. Price-wise, these are on the high end at about $100 each, but they do give discounts for anything more than one. What's priceless is actually having a strap mounted in your bed and ready to go when you need it. Installing these is simple. You'll just need a 5/16" hex wrench to make it happen. Let's go outside and get these mounted. First, you'll want to remove the plastic end plug from your wheel system. I've decided to mount mine towards the rear of the truck as I do have the backflip tonneau cover. You'll want to take the T-nuts and slide them into the rail with the bottom of the T facing in the bed. Position them about 4 inches apart. Now with the mount, place one of the cap head screws into the 5/16" driver and begin to thread it into the T-nut, but not fully tight. Next, grab the second screw and thread that through the mount into the other T-nut. Before tightening down, position the mount exactly where you want it on the rail. You can easily reposition by just unscrewing slightly and sliding it down the rail. Finally, tighten down both screws evenly. Don't forget to put the plastic end cap back in. The swivel action is just amazing and smooth once mounted. It articulates to almost any position in your bed. Let's test this thing out. The straps are pretty much ready to use. Just position the strap in the direction you'll be tying down and go over your object. In my case, it's an empty box for my new Daytona jack. I went over the top and connected the clip to the built-in tie-down on the other Juggernaut mounted strap. Now just ratchet it tight. This thing works so well. That thing ain't going nowhere. When unstrapping, just press down on the internal button to release the tension. Unclip the other side and wind the strap back into the mount. It's as easy as that. Maneuver the strap mount and fold it back into the bed panels when not in use. This is such a great product. It solves the issue of not having a strap readily available, having secure tie-down points on the rail, and just is genuinely so easy to use. Honestly, all trucks should have these available from the factory and included in higher trim level trucks. Well, what are your thoughts? Are you in the market for a good ratchet strap? Do you use your truck for actual truck stuff? It's always cool to hear from the people that watch my Tacoma Network videos. As always, if you like the video, there's a button for that. And if you want to see more videos like this one, subscribe. It's free. Lastly, my name is Rich. Thanks for watching.